on this episode.
Strap yourself in as we do laundry, check out the Elon Musk of the 1930s, and finish up this amazing trip.
Thanks to Ava waking us up at 5 o'clock every day now that we're in Queensland, not adjusting to the time.
You got mum on your shoulders.
We're not holding it against her. Enjoying your nap there.
We got to see the beautiful sunrise on Mission Beach.
We did some adult chores like laundry. Well, being an adult doesn't stop when you're on the road, does it?
No. Washing day.
Some laundry. Got some coinage.
Yes, I do.
Each of these kind of caravan parks and big fours and everything have an amenities block, and in that amenities block there's laundry, showers, and all have been really clean and really nice. Yeah.
And they all, which I didn't expect, they all have baby baths as well, which is so good. Do you bath your baby?
I hope you're bathing your baby in the baby bath. I guess for almost a week or two I've wanted to have like a real tavern pub meal type setup. We went into Mission Beach and went to, I think it was just called Mission Beach Tavern. Yeah, which was perfect. Food was amazing. Just a tab, had a fruff.
Just a cheeky little gin.
Oh, that's not me. That's Ava. Hi. For you. Up around this part of the world, during like maybe like 11:30 or midday till about 3, you want to be in water or inside or somewhere with aircon.
This could potentially just be aimed at us Melburnians.
Yeah.
But
I'm sure if anyone up north is watching this or
they're laughing
near the equator, they're just like noobs. That's a gaming term for new at it, something like that.
like a rookie.
Yeah, rookie. Just up the road from Mission Beach, Big Four, is Huskers. Voted, what is it?
Number 1 chips, hot chips in far north Queensland.
They give you the biggest bowl, but it was so good.
They were good.
We almost finished them.
Yeah.
And our hearts were like, hey.
Hey, take it easy now.
Ease up on these chips. Then we had one of these things called Feel Good Bananas or something. Essentially frozen banana dipped in dark chocolate, and Ava
demolished it.
could not get enough of it.
And a big rhino. Stomp. How would you do a rhino? So when I've spoken to people on the phone, they've asked me a lot of the times about storage. So I just want to show you all the storage. This is just our laundry here. And the really good thing about traveling in these things with a baby is that they're childproof. So anything that's got knives, cutlery, or what have you in it, you just push this button and it's locked. It just stops things sliding around when you're driving. But obviously it's baby-proof too, which is a win.
We got a tip to go to Bingle Bay Cafe, which is just like above Mission Beach. The drive to get there is incredibly scenic. You drive along the rocks and the ocean. We got there and had some smoothies. It's real hippie. They have this like crazy fan thing that's like this massive blocks of wood on like a pulley system, and they just wave back and forth. So that's the fan.
Decided for us to stop over at Paranella Park.
You walk through what this guy built, this Spanish guy built in the 1920s or something like that, 30s. He turned his whole property into a place where you could have weddings, you could hang out.
Was the Elon Musk of the 1930s.
That's a great call.
Yeah.
Yeah, he seriously was. And he was building things where he was too ahead of himself and things would fail, and then he'd be like, we'll do something, we'll do this now and do that. So yeah, that history is pretty cool, and the way he built the place, the trees were all in a line so you could see the waterfall at the end and go down this lover's walk, and everything was very symmetrical and picturesque, and it was cool, really cool. I think we wanted to slow down our trip because we know it's coming to an end, so we were like just seeing opportunities to just divert our trip, and we saw a sign to Babinda Boulders, and we are so glad and thankful that we did decide to go up there. One of the coolest places I've ever seen in my life.
The drive to Cairns is so green and mountainous. It's so pretty. Obviously, after all our stops, we just wanted to chill out. We had a bit of a play and headed off to bed.
We just walked around this huge Big Four.
This is the biggest one yet.
Biggest one. It's its own suburb.
Yeah.
And there's about like 6 or 7 pools, slides, different ones.
Mini golf, outdoor cinema, 2 or 3 jumping pillows,
Yeah.
2 playgrounds.
You could easily spend a week or 2 here
Easy.
just with a couple of families, and you would probably not see your kids for like a week.
It's the end of the trip tomorrow, and we're really flat about it.
We're not leaving!
Max actually made a really good chicken pesto pasta. Recipe below, guys.
No, I'm not running it out. It's UFC day. I'm a big fan of blood sports, even though I couldn't fight my way out of a wet paper bag. Lia's just gone through some of the footage out there. And I've set up a bit of a sports bar with
Not sure exactly what that did, but it did
UFC, and I've got the sound coming through the Bluetooth speakers, and I'm loving it. I don't know if this is gonna glitch the matrix, but I'm melting cheese and then putting the taco on, so it melts into the taco, and there.
Is this from your Mexican heritage?
See. What's happened, Leia?
It's the last day.
We did it, everyone.
High five!
Yay!
High five! Yeah!
Been one of the best trips we've ever done.
100%. And Abe has been amazing. The motorhome's been amazing. The parks have been amazing. Locations have been amazing.
We just woke up in our bed the morning after our awesome trip, wasn't it?
I was so suppressed.
So yeah, so now last night we were even looking at motorhome sales and camper van sales because we can't believe we can't pick this place up and move to the next place. What do you mean this house just stays here the whole time? Anyway, it was one of the best trips ever. We're so thankful to Apollo Motorhomes and the Big Four. If you ever want to do one of those trips that we just did, it was just seamless from getting the keys and driving out to checking into every single Big Four and then dropping the keys back off to Apollo. It was just smooth, easy, and it's opened up a brand new channel for us of how to holiday and how to honestly almost how to live in terms of like a lifestyle where you can just be in total control the entire time and go wherever you want, see whatever you want to see, experience whatever you want to experience. So I definitely think we'll do it again. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, she's confused because there's no one there.
That's fair.
Bye.